Sir, Hanuman and Bhima are both sons of Vayu. But Hanuman was stronger and more famous than Bhima. Why?
Many people ask this question. The truth is, Hanuman was born as an obedience to the command of Lord Vishnu. When Putrakameshti Yajna was being performed, all the 33 crores of deities had assembled in one place with the leadership of Lord Narayana. Those deities complained to Lord Vishnu about Ravana. And Lord Vishnu said, okay, I am going to be born as Rama, as a son of Dasaratha. You be born as monkeys. Each deity, for example, may Lord Agni be born as a monkey. May Lord Vayu be born as Hanuman, like that. We will all invade Ceylon and destroy Ravana. Thus, Hanuman was created by Vayu Bhagavan as an obedience to the command of Lord Vishnu. There was a mission for him. Hanuman was supposed to invade Ceylon, burn Ceylon, lead the army of monkeys against Ravana, and do his maximum in the service of Lord Rama. He had to fly over the ocean, he had to meet Sita in Sri Lanka, he had to confront Ravana. He was a main warrior in the Rama-Ravana Yuddha. So it was a Bhagavad Kainkaryam. For that he needed monstrous physical power, muscular power. He had to outshow very many of his siddhis. Whereas Bhima had no mission. Bhima was born to Kunti, just on the request of Kunti to Vayu to give her a son. She wanted a son through Vayu, that's all. There was no other motive. Because Vayu begot him, he was a strong man. But he had no other mission. Hanuman had a divine mission of destroying Ravana as a Bhagavad Kainkaryam. So Hanuman was more famous and stronger than Bhima.